Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best cigarette rolling machine is probably one of the most convenient gadgets for anyone looking to roll their own cigarettes. It offers a level of customization that you just can't get with pre-made cigarettes, and it could even save you some money in the long run. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of cigarette rolling machines, exploring their features, and helping you decide if it's the right choice for you. Number 5. OCB 3013 Mikromatic Duo Cigarette Stuffing Machine. Introducing the OCB 3013 Mikromatic Duo, a convenient solution for cigarette making. This machine is designed for both king size and extra sleeves, making it versatile for your needs. With the OCB 3013, the process is incredibly easy and fast. You'll be able to create your own cigarettes quickly and efficiently, saving you time and effort. This machine is compatible with both king size and extra sleeves. It offers flexibility, allowing you to choose the size that best suits your preferences. The OCB 3013 is built with high-quality workmanship, ensuring durability and a long lifespan. You can rely on it for consistent performance over time. Not only is it functional, but it also boasts an attractive design. It's a stylish addition to your accessories, combining form and function seamlessly. What we like. This machine is designed for ease of use and speed. It's built with high-quality materials, ensuring durability. If you value a quick and reliable rolling experience, this is a great choice. What people say. The machine is well-built and sturdy. It rolls perfect cigarettes every time. The design is very easy to use. Number 4. Top-O-Matic Cigarette Rolling Machine. This is the new Top-O-Matic cigarette rolling machine. It's designed to make rolling your own cigarettes easier than ever. This machine is a game changer. The new design features a shorter spoon. This makes it easier to load your tobacco and get started. It's a simple yet effective upgrade. It also includes a stainless steel chamber. This ensures durability and a smooth rolling experience. You can count on it for long-lasting performance. This machine is versatile, allowing you to make king-size or 100mm cigarettes. It gives you the flexibility to choose your preferred size. It's all about customization. The Top-O-Matic comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. This provides peace of mind, knowing that it's backed by quality and support. It's a risk-free purchase. It also comes with a chamber reducer and a handle. These features enhance its functionality and ease of use. They are designed to improve your experience. What we like. This model features a stainless steel chamber for enhanced performance. It offers versatility by accommodating both king-size and 100mm cigarettes. If you are looking for a machine that offers both size options and reliable construction, consider this one. What people say. This machine is designed to work with either king or 100mm filter tubes, so all you have to do is select the size you prefer, insert a tube onto the fitting on the side of the machine, load the chamber with tobacco, then pull down on the lever to automatically roll the cigarette and eject it from the machine. This machine works great. Wow! What an awesome product! I was able to make 2 packs of cigs in less than 10 minutes. It is just that easy. Everyone came out perfectly, no issues. Number 3. Top-O-Matic T2 Cigarette Machine. Introducing the Top-O-Matic T2, the toughest cigarette machine available. This machine is built to withstand the test of time, ensuring you get the most out of it. It features all-metal construction, making it incredibly durable. You can rely on it for years of use. The Top-O-Matic T2 is better, stronger, and faster than the original. It's designed for optimal performance and efficiency. This machine comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. It's a testament to the quality and reliability of the product. Please note that there are no tobacco coupons included. Get yours today. What we like. This is built to last with its all-metal construction. It's known for being stronger and faster than the original. If you prioritize durability and longevity in your rolling machine, this is the one for you. What people say. It's rolling along just fine at the moment, making perfect cigs every time. It's an all-metal machine and has a solid, smooth rolling gear that rolls a great cigarette. Number 2. Top-O-Matic Poweroll King Electric Cigarette Machine. This is the Poweroll King, an electric cigarette machine by Top-O-Matic. It's designed to make your own cigarettes quickly and easily. With this machine, you can enjoy a more customized smoking experience. The Poweroll King simplifies the process. It takes the hassle out of rolling your own cigarettes. You can create perfect cigarettes every time with minimal effort. This machine is designed for king-size cigarettes. It provides a convenient way to make your preferred size. It is a great choice for those who enjoy king-size cigarettes. Top-O-Matic is known for quality and reliability. The Poweroll King is built to last. You can trust it to deliver consistent performance. Experience the ease and convenience of the Poweroll King. It is a great investment for anyone who wants to roll their own cigarettes. Get yours today and start enjoying a better smoking experience. What we like. This electric machine offers effortless operation. It is specifically designed for king-size cigarettes. If you want an easy and convenient way to roll, this machine is perfect for you. What people say. This machine makes cigarettes perfect, not good perfect. I was able to make a carton of cigarettes with no jams and every one of the cigarettes were perfect. Quick and very easy to use, makes great cigarettes. Number 1. Mikromatic by Top-O-Matic King Size Cigarette Machine. This machine is built to last. It's made with high-quality materials, ensuring it can withstand regular use. You can rely on it for years to come. The Mikromatic is designed for ease of use. The simple mechanism makes it easy to create perfect cigarettes every time. It's a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. This machine is designed specifically for king-size cigarettes. It will help you to create your favorite size with ease. Enjoy your perfect cigarettes. Top-O-Matic is a trusted brand in cigarette machines. It is known for its quality and reliability. This machine is a great investment. With this machine, you can make your own cigarettes. You can save money and customize your smoking experience. It gives you the freedom to choose your own tobacco. What we like. This machine is known for its sturdy and durable design. It is specifically designed for king-size cigarettes. If you are looking for a reliable machine that will last, this is a great option. What people say. It rolls every cigarette perfectly and the ease of use is simple. The item is sturdy and reliable, the motion of the lever is smooth and requires very little force compared to cheaper alternatives, and it allows me to roll cigarettes much easier and faster than any of the other 4 types I have tried. This packer is all metal, very smooth working and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.